caress the southern shores. In the twinkling light, new life struggles to survive in the sea near Kending's Nan One. Every spring, a moving nighttime ritual of life explodes in the seas of Kending National Park. At this time, coral will release large amounts of spermatozoa and ova into the sea to be fertilized. The sea is immediately filled with countless tiny dots, and the waves spread these minuscule lives to other parts of the sea. The next morning, there will be a vast number of coral eggs floating on the sea surface, dyeing the sea bright red. Coral relies on this sea of eggs strategy to overcome nature's harsh test of survival. Peninsula at the southern tip of Taiwan is a coral reef terrace formed tens of thousands of years ago by a peoples of the Earth's crust. Kending National Park is located on the Hung Chuen Peninsula, and the most abundant distribution of coral in all of Taiwan is found here. The southern part of the Hung Chuen Peninsula does not have any large rivers, so there is less chance of the sea being polluted. In the Nan One coastal area, from Uluanbi to Maoitao, the sea is crystal clear year-round because silt is not as easily washed away in this coral reef coastal terrain. Coral extend in every direction, and colorful coral reef fish of many different varieties form a brilliant panorama. It is a favorite place for marine researchers and divers. That's right. The water is clear, and the coral's beautiful. The Hung Chuen Peninsula, with its coral reef coastal terrain, was part of a gradual upheaval that happened 200,000 years ago. Coral is abundant around the whole Hung Chuen Peninsula. There are approximately 350 species of coral here. There are no rivers, so the water around the Hung Chuen Peninsula is always very clear. It nurtures one of the most diverse ecological systems in Taiwan. To preserve the marine ecosystem of Taiwan, the government established the Kending National Park headquarters on January 1st, 1984. The sea area of the national park encompasses 1 kilometer out from the coast, from Guishan to Nanrenwan, and the entire Nan One coastal area. 4 marine ecosystem reserves were established to better manage and protect the coral reef ecosystem. Soft coral communities grow in the shallow waters for 2 kilometers east and west of Nanwan's Hobihu. They look like slow, elegant dancers, dressed in colorful costumes. The vast, soft coral communities are the habitat for many types of fish. They exist peacefully in the colorful coral forests. we can see unusual-looking potato chip corals. This rare type of coral is smooth and slippery. The potato chip coral area is a wonderful place for observing coral reef fish. Divers who come to this area will find themselves surrounded by schools of damselfish, angelfish, and trumpetfish.